Hello all, here we are in the week that you're going to be putting your draft together for the deeper look, and I'm going to offer you some tools that'll help you get toward Friday when you need to turn it in. So let's start with the reading, and of course it's in They Say, I Say, which is kind of your how-to book for the writing for this class, right there. Here's the title page. If we scroll down to the table of contents, you'll see the chapters for this week. And chapter 5 is kind of drilling a little bit deeper than they did in chapter 2 on summarizing and also on quoting. If you put chapters 2 and 3 together, you end up with something that looks a lot like chapter 5. So it's pretty important, and it helps keep things straight, keep things clear. And then also on chapter 8, great title, huh? So what, who cares? Well, you don't want your reader ever to feel that, right? So this is a way to help a reader understand why what you're saying is important, why it matters. And if you think about the statement of a wicked problem, the first piece of writing you did for the class, a wicked problem as you see it, that second paragraph was preparing you all for this type of writing. And in fact, you might be able to use bits of that for the deeper look. Speaking of the deeper look, let's bop over to the assignments page. Of course, there's the draft. Now remember to read through the main assignment because you're going to want your draft to be 60%. So keep that in mind. And if people always ask me, Professor, what's 60%? Well, I don't mean a word count. I don't even need a paragraph count. What I really mean is that you work out your thinking here on the draft. The draft is about your thinking. This final version is about your writing. So if you take a good look at the first three items, I would really want to see that in your draft. And just for the sake of efficiency, you'll probably be doing number 5 as you do that. So I hope this helps. So as you get the draft done, wrapped up Wednesday, and you're doing the reading chapters 5 and 8 to help you make things clear on the draft. And of course, the reading questions will just test how well you understood what you read in those 2 chapters in They Say, I Say 5 and 8. So big week. Start early on the reading. That's my advice. And all will come together Friday. Stay in touch.